Hi guys and welcome back. Today we want to learn how we can make bouncy loading animation in Figma. Please open the Figma. Now hit the F key to bring the frame here. I'm going for iPhone SE here. Just bring it here a little bit, making it smaller. Then I'm going to make one ellipse here, a small ellipse. A little bit smaller, make it in middle. Now I'm going to change the color, but from solid I'm going to linear. This one I'm going to opposite color for it. For example, is good, and the opacity 100%. Then I'm going to make it a little bit, I think smaller is better. Yes. Then I'm taking these from the frame out here. I'm letting this ellipse be here. Then I'm going to duplicate this frame one time. As you can see, the ellipse is here. I'm going to bring it down in the middle. Then again, I'm going to Control D to duplicate one time more, but making this circle here a little bit bigger. Make it in middle. Then I'm going to duplicate it again with Control D. Make it a little bit bigger than it. Again, bring it in middle. Then I'm going to duplicate it again and make this circle completely big, enough big to cover all the. Then I'm going here to duplicate one time more, and now here I'm going to add something here like some text. Welcome to design tarifi. Yes, bold and a little bit bigger maybe. Bring it here. One time more. I'm going to write your details to sign in. I'm going to regular, and I'm making this 14 maybe, or a little bit bigger, 16, yes. I'm going to bring rectangle here. Make it in middle. Give the radius corner for 10. Yes, it's okay. Change the color to white. But I can reduce the opacity also. Yes, we can give a stroke to it to be better be seen, but a little bit also opacity. We are going to less it. I'm going to give a drop shadow to it. Of course, we can change the color of shadow. Maybe white is better. I'm changing the is okay. I'm going to duplicate it again here. And one time more. I'm going to bring the all opacity for a stroke and for fill. Then I'm going to write it here. Sign in. 32 is big. I'm going to make it 20, or 20 is small, 24. This is okay. Then I'm going to little bit zoom out to see all the frames. Now I'm going to prototype. I'm going to connect these to this next frame. I'm going to choose after delay. Here I'm coming to Smart Animate, and in a Smart Animate I'm going to here to bouncy. It depends on you which timing you are going to give. I'm giving the 800 millisecond, and after that frame 2 to frame 3, again same properties is here on, and 3 to 4 after delay, Smart Animate and bouncy. This one to this, again after delay and Smart Animate and bouncy. Here also is the same, after delay and a Smart Animate and bouncy. And this one also can be turned back to this, but I'm not going for that. I'm going here. I'm going to present mode. Now is the time to see how it's going to bounce, and it's going to make to become bigger and bring the welcome page of your business to the audience. I wish you can use this technique in your project. If you found this technique helpful, please like the button and subscribe the channel, and hit the bell button to be informed about the new upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun. Bye.